Tech moves fast, really fast. It's like trying to catch the latest smartphone while it's being launched into space. Staying updated can feel impossible, but it's also super exciting. New tech isn't just about shiny gadgets, it's changing how we live, work, and play. Imagine understanding the tools that are shaping our future. That's what staying updated allows us to do. It's about becoming comfortable with the unfamiliar and embracing the potential of what's next. Let's dive into some game changers, AI, gadgets, and VR. And remember when AI felt like sci-fi? Well, it's here, and it's becoming more integrated into our lives every day. From personalized recommendations on streaming services to voice assistants that can schedule appointments, AI is streamlining tasks and making things easier. But the really cool stuff? AI is being used in healthcare to diagnose diseases earlier, and in transportation to develop self-driving cars. And we're just scratching the surface. The future of AI is brimming with possibilities, and it's impacting nearly every industry imaginable. Remember the first iPhone? Revolutionary. Now, phones have multiple cameras, foldable screens, and crazy fast processors. And it's not just phones. We've got smartwatches that track our fitness, wireless earbuds that deliver incredible sound, and even AR glasses that overlay digital information onto the real world. Then there's VR, transporting us to different worlds and offering immersive experiences. Imagine exploring ancient Rome, learning complex surgery, or just hanging out with friends in a virtual reality space, all from your living room. These advancements are blurring the lines between the digital and physical, creating incredible new opportunities. Behind every line of code, every circuit board, and every algorithm, there are passionate people pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Staying updated with tech isn't about memorizing specs, it's about appreciating the creativity and hard work that goes into these inventions and understanding their impact on our world. So what tech trend gets you fired up? Is it the AI revolution, the latest gadgets, or the immersive world of VR? Share your thoughts, join the conversation, and let's navigate the exciting world of tech together.